Welcome back to Vanaways. I'm Kelly and today we are taking a look at the 2025 KGM Musso Saracen. If you're after a rugged pickup that blends proper off-road power with comfort, practicality and a price that makes it one of the cheapest pickups on the market, then the Musso might just be what you're looking for. Let's take a closer look and see what it has to offer. At first glance, the Musso Saracen doesn't try to hide its intentions. With bold styling, chrome touches and 18-inch alloy wheels, it looks sharp, but it's built tough. Under the bonnet, you'll find a 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine delivering 202 brake horsepower and 441 Newton meters of torque. That's sent through a 6-speed automatic gearbox, giving the Musso a surprisingly smooth drive on the road, while staying muscular when it matters. With selectable four-wheel drive, hill descent control and high ride height, it's more than ready to go off the beaten path or handle wet, wintry job sites with confidence. Measuring in at just over 5.4 metres in length, the Musso Saracen is one of the longest in its class, and that's not just for show. It offers one of the largest load beds in the UK pickup market and comes with a fully integrated load deck that keeps the profile slick without sacrificing cargo space at all. Its ladder frame chassis and coil spring rear suspension means it strikes a solid balance between payload strength and road comfort, something that's not always easy to pull off in this segment. Round the back, the load bed is where the Musso really comes into its own. You get a payload of over 1,000 kilos, plus the ability to tow up to 3,500 kilos, meaning you are covered whether you are hauling gear, trailers, or even towing a digger to site. The Saracen spec includes a load liner as standard. And thanks to its long bed design, it's a practical choice for tradespeople needing to shift oversized kit. As soon as you get into the cockpit, straight away, it's not just rugged, it has brains too. You've got all 5 leather seats with adjustable lumbar support, heated and cooling seats, and one of my favourite features in any vehicle I'm driving, heated and adjustable steering wheel. Behind the steering wheel, you have your digital instrument cluster, which is really smart when you're driving. It has all the information you need while you're on the go. And right next to it, you have a 12-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a really nice setup. The only thing I'm going to say about it is I have no idea where the volume button is. There isn't one. I have one on the steering wheel. I can change the volume, but I am absolutely baffled. Normally, if it's not there, like there's a little knob but there. Let's just put the radio on. Right, Kiss is on. This is actually mental. Like,
swiping down on the infotainment system.
Swipe down.
Right.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not having that. That is awful. When I'm driving, I don't want to have to do all that. I was more scared how you just reacted. Yeah, sorry, KGM, sort that out. That was outrageous. Oh my god.
Oh dear. Good.
So you can mute it. You jumped out of your skin. I wish there was a camera on both sides. So with the gearbox, the only thing that I find is it's like playing like a maze game when you're trying to go from park to drive. You've got to kind of move it quite a lot rather than straight down. You've got a manual handbrake, which is interesting as well. I do notice as soon as I start the vehicle, the start engine kind of button is so quick when you want to start it. Within like, I literally just tap it and it's there. With a lot of others, you will find that you got to hold it for a few seconds, but that is so reactive.
A few just nice little features, all comes standard. Built-in sat nav, reversing camera.
Yeah.
And a premium 6-speaker sound system.
In the infotainment system, you have okay, breathe. Built into the infotainment system already, you have a sat nav, you have reversing cameras, and if you couldn't tell, it has 6 speakers around the cabin as well. And one thing as well, when it comes to parking, when you go straight into reverse, it has the 360 camera at the back with sensors, making parking breezy. Carried over from the Rexton, you have the dual zone aircon that goes across the front dashboard as well, making it easy so that when I'm hot, I can put the cooling on, and when James is cold, he can have the heating on as well. For a pickup, it's surprisingly refined, a comfortable place to be, even on long jobs or on site runs as well. KGM has packed the Musso Saracen with advanced driving aids to keep you safe and focused on the job. You've got lane departure warnings, autonomous emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and rear cross traffic alerts, just to name a few. And it's all controlled on the multi-functioning steering wheel. The thing that KGM continues to impress with is its 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty across the range, providing the driver with years of adventure. There's storage. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not saying any more on that. There's bits and bobs around the cabin. Here are Vanaways' top 5 features of the 2025 KGM Musso Saracen. Number 1, towing and payload power. 3.5 ton towing and over 1,000 kilo payload means this pickup is ready to graft. Number 2, biggest load bed in its class. No need to compromise on space with this extended bed. Number 3, premium interior tech, heated and ventilated leather seats, Apple CarPlay and more, all as standard. Number 4, solid off-road credentials, 4-wheel drive, hill descent and rugged chassis keeps you moving through any terrain. Number 5, 5-year warranty as standard. KGM back their promise with one of the best warranties in the business. To wrap it up, the 2025 KGM Musso Saracen is one of the most complete packages in the pickup market right now. With a powerful engine, massive load capacity, refined cabin and serious towing ability, it's built for those who need a dependable workhorse but don't want to miss out on comfort and tech. If you want to learn more about the Musso or check out the rest of the KGM range, go over to vanaways.co.uk and don't forget to follow all our socials at Vanaways. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next review. .5 ton towing and over 1,000 kilo payload means that pickup means you power 3.5 ton. Someone's piped up today. 3.5 ton. Say towing and over 1,000. Ah! You ruined it. All I'm thinking is speed. It's not even you, I'm just laughing at the what you did. Right, 3.5 ton towing and over 1,000. Oh, okay. Yeah.